Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to learn the meaning of the word disgusting. It's a strong word, and you'll hear it often when people describe something that makes them feel sick or repulsed. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use disgusting in your conversations. Let's get started. So what does disgusting mean? Disgusting is a word we use to describe something that makes you feel sick, repelled, or grossed out. It's used when something is so unpleasant or awful that it causes a strong feeling of dislike or revulsion. Example, the smell of rotten food is disgusting. When something is disgusting, it's something you really want to avoid because it makes you feel uncomfortable or even physically sick. Let's take a look at some more examples to see how disgusting is used in sentences. The garbage in the corner of the room is disgusting. I can't believe he ate that disgusting sandwich. It was disgusting to watch the movie because of all the blood and gore. As you can see, disgusting is a very strong word used when describing things that are unpleasant, repulsive, or revolting. You might be thinking, when should I use the word disgusting? You use disgusting when you want to describe something that is extremely unpleasant, whether it's about food, sights, smells, or even behavior. It's a word that emphasizes how bad or revolting something is. For example, you might say something is disgusting when you see something that is dirty, smelly, or when someone does something rude or offensive. Example, the movie had some disgusting scenes that I had to look away from. Quick recap. Disgusting means something that is gross, repulsive, or unpleasant. You use it to describe things that make you feel sick, uncomfortable, or revolted. It's a strong word that's often used for bad smells, gross food, or offensive behavior. Now you know how to use disgusting in your everyday life. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful English lessons. Drop a comment below if you want me to explain more words. See you next time, and keep learning.